get your ticket. Drop your ticket off. Come on, you got your ticket. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Lillian, did you hear her fart? Good God.
Hi.
She was just like walking around. Go, okay, hold on.
Oh, you can do it.
Come on. Whoa, pay your ticket. Show them your ticket. There you go. Paid your ticket. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. 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 Keep the trend up, Lillian. You've already buzzed it 3 times today. Come on. Come on.
Oh, don't teach her to go down like that. Whoa. Lillian. Cheese.
Cheese. Whoa.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Cheese.
Come on. Did you hurt Mama today?
She threw a book at my foot.
She scares me when she gets right up there.
I know.
Come on.
All by yourself, you can do it.
Come on.
You can do it, Cheese. I see you. There's Kitten. You gonna get Kitten?
Get
You
Kitten.
gonna get Kitten?
I'll put him right here. Come on.
You can do it. Go get him.
Come down. Oh.
Oh.
She kicked him in the